Struggling to create your first digital course? I was too, until I found Course Creation Warrior. In this video, I'll show you how I made $500 in just 30 days using this system. Stick around. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by digital course creation, structuring content, marketing, sales funnels, this is for you. Course Creation Warrior breaks it all down, even for beginners. Here's what made the difference for me. AI-powered tools that cut my work in half, step-by-step modules, and done-for-you sales funnels. No need for a fancy digital marketing course. This covers everything. Want to try it? The link is pinned in the first comment. Plus, check my LinkedIn, link in description, for a full written review. I went from $0 to $500 in a month. Imagine what you could do. If you're ready to start your digital marketing career with online courses, this is your sign. Click the link below, enroll today, and let's get you earning. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews. See you in the next video.